O Menteri Rangba Kajala Ukonrat ke Sangma ne de Yachemo ki Bor District ka South Garo Hills hadima para yo tip hadu katwon wada chakta ki yung ki sem ne chlai sendet hapo ka district. Warok da em so pau da ligi chenong ki wada chakta ki wa em hali da ligi blok he wa warok ki buru wa chakta da em ki arhajar san spa chi pau ngun na so spa an rupau ar da ligi man yung. Da em le nyau ngut ki wa chi yung ki wada chak thlep pen im de wa chak ban khandau na do ka pun ka khon giksu wa persa kurim iwada jia ha ka sotering hachnong atisya song mong wa em ha ka thain ka supara he wa warok da yi wa sa yaki. Yagini gi nyang da thlep ki chirup de lang ha ini itha wajia ini or khandau ukon rat da banjuru yai em ka mo tho bnia yo yi utip kamon wo lai ne jia was nyau si ne ni chakman ne chlai da pha ole ki he sarkar wo pen smart ki upan chna yai wadasi kamju wo e rap chawaro ki bachakta nadima para ukon rat da poyu ha ini iyung bacha ban khandau de walai ar kilometer dekjan de ikti ule ya kasong paisa ya rap chagi balai im ne ni wajia he wa uwi to watison marang wada do ya san hot ki wachi yungu wacha ubaseng momin wada do ya ka kurim wa ukhonu uwadang chi snem chi ten hai ni ijo ithau ukon rat da chimban tau le ha ka ya sen duwai wada panman ha ka ni ka thau we da kularo le ya ki paj ba wo pan chna smart ya usarong kamju wo pan biang ya ka boarding.
Jadi kak. Ini pokoknya sekitar yang, ini pokoknya sekitar. Iba bani, betul nanya tu. Sesuatu kamera pak, kamera kami tu. Teman teman senang kucing agung lari pak. Aro senang mamku ba, sini saya tu nak nama Zova. Government side ni sini emilir sakni donga tsinga ya excretia amount lak chet donga ne ya ko tsinga government ni ko tangno ina tangka dana ne ko na paigin ya ini sanction material today along with the local MLAs and officials including our deputy commissioners and BDOs and other officials. We have visited West Garo Hills and South Garo Hills, and there's a lot of devastation that has taken place. We tried to cover most of the areas, but today mostly we covered the families and met the family members of those individuals who lost their lives and gave our support to them in whatever way possible, including financial assistance that we could give from our side. It is a great loss for them and we cannot make up for the loss. But as a government, we have done whatever little we could do and to support them in these difficult times. At the same time, we reviewed the overall situation in terms of the relief work that is going on. And in the process, we have seen that most of the general relief has been given. The houses that have been damaged, we have assessed them and we should be able to give them relief and financial support very soon. At the same time, the power connectivity also has been restored in most of the villages. The road connectivity also to a large extent has been restored. So we are slowly and steadily seeing that normalcy is returning, but of course a lot of damage has been done and it will take some time for us to completely bring everything back to normal. But we are here to show our support for the different families who are affected by this flood, which is quite unprecedented in nature. I was speaking to the elders here and even to our MLAs, and they were sharing that they have not seen this kind of rain and flood in decades in this region. So I will continue my tour tomorrow also. I plan to visit some parts of Chokpot area and other parts of South Garo Hills to see and to ensure that people are getting enough support during these difficult times.